3D printed? Yes, but probably not to the scale that you're used to seeing. This is micro 3D printing using BMF's projection micro stereolithography technology here at IPFL. Instead of building with a nozzle, each layer is cured from resin using a UV projector, allowing extremely small features to be produced accurately. The result is fine detail, sharp geometries and precision on a completely different scale. Across our BMF systems, we can print at 2, 10 and 25 micron XY resolution, with layer heights down to just 5 microns. That allows us to produce tiny pillars, channels, lattices and other functional features that conventional 3D printing simply struggles to resolve. And this isn't just about printing something small, it's about producing useful, highly detailed components at micro scale, all manufactured in-house at IPFL.